guys, it's Art Stylish here, and I have my friends here. You guys are like, why are you wet? Because they dared me to put my face in a spa, so I did it. And I have my friends here. Maya, say hello to the camera. This is Maya.
Hello.
We made each other when we were little friends. And this is Maddie. Say hello to the camera, Maddie.
Hello.
This is my friend Maddie. That's her sister. They're both sisters. So today, you guys are like, what are we doing today? We are going to, it's just like a special update. It's an update video. So I'm going to be starting to do more, like, there's 2 updates. I'm going to be starting to do more how-to draws because I only did 2, like the Toy Genie one. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. And the how to draw my pumpkin pie. That was my first video. So I'm going to show you a little update. So I'm going to tell you the update right now. Let's get started. Okay, so the update is I am going to be starting to do gaming. So like, if you guys request in the comment, I could do Roblox, Minecraft. I can play Minecraft. I could do Skylanders. I can any games you guys request to me, like Just Dance, I can do. Because my next video, I'm going to do do-it-yourself Just Dance, like a little tutorial how to make your own Just Dance. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's my next video, so. But I'm going to do that after this video. So, just a little update. I'm going to be having a gaming update. Okay? So, you guys are like, seriously, this is like 1 minute and 53 seconds. Okay? We're going to do some stuff too. We're going to do some randomness.
Yay.
Let's go spy on my parents. Okay, there's my mom right there, and there's my friend's dad. Okay.
What are you girls doing over there?
Oh, let's go on my dad. Let's see what he's doing. Outside doing burgers. What a coincidence. And guess who's outside? All those little guys. I'm making a YouTube video.
Yeah, you can't throw stuff at me. Hey, and they're bad boys.
Yeah, they're bad boys, and we're making a YouTube video.
They have to go.
Yeah. My doggy. Oh. Okay, so as you guys like, this is not my real voice when you hear it on the video. It's like, hey guys, that is not my real voice, okay? Not. So, Kim has stuffy dress. Maya.
What?
Do you think you can pick me up?
Yeah.
Wait, pick me up. Ah, she did it. Okay, let's see if I can pick her up. Hold the camera for a second. Face it at us. Wait, don't hit anything. Oh! I did it. Wait, give me the camera. Okay. So, I am going to, I'm going to jump super high. Whoop, whoop. You guys are jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. Plus. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to go outside and show you what's up. Let's get on with the video. Big boys are on camera. You're on camera. Video camera. Let's go look at the grill. It's raining outside. It is so rainy outside. Sorry guys. It's a little stuffy here. There's the boys doing the grill. Big boys on camera! Making a YouTube video.
You guys want to play hide and seek?
No! Not now! Turn the camera around. Yeah, okay, wait.
Big boys on camera.
Okay. Let me see. Wait.
Let me see the whole video.
Wait, no, we're not done yet because like it's the rain's so stuffy. Nah. I wish we had a GoPro. Oh, no. Say hi. Hi. E-I-E-I-O. Chase is looking at the camera. Nah. My mommy's on camera. Making dinner. Probably. I don't know.
Do you have
Room tour time.
page to sign up for you?
If you're under 18 and I think your parents have to help you. Yeah.
Wait, what did she ask you? Sorry.
It won't let me sign up onto YouTube.
Oh, well, it's probably
Nah.
your parents might have
Let's go.
blocked, which is most likely.
Nah. Okay, as I told you, I'm starting a gaming thing. So, go.
I have to go.
So, wait until those. I'm not going to start that until, like, July 20th. So, if you guys want to know about it, it's not going to be until, like, July 20th. Yeah, July 20th. Okay? So, wait on. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. I don't know what I'm doing with this video. I don't even know it's going to be. I just fell back. I'm a mermaid. My friend.
Say bye.
What?
Say bye.
No, we're not done yet. It's been 6 minutes. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna give you just a few little tips. Shout out for the great videos. Funnel Vision. Shout out to them. MTube. Shout out to them.
Hey, Beth.
Cookie Swirl. Shout out to them. Toy Genie. Shout out to them.
Hey, Beth.
Dan. The Minecraft. I don't know, like Minecraft.
You know what? If you, there's this YouTuber that does Minecraft and get 1,000 million hits.
Oh, cool. So
They play Minecraft.
there's Minecraft Diamond, Dan TMD. Shout out to him, gaming guy.
Stampy, Squid, Amy Lee.
In a second,
Rosie.
I'm giving out shout outs. And a huge shout out to a dude that liked my video, like my first video. Shout out to him, okay? Thank you. Okay, so for you guys, I'm gonna do a dare. Put my face. I'm gonna show you my spit. I'm done. Selfie. I took a selfie. I'm going to show you some pictures of me and my friend. Wait. Yeah. If I can put it on video.
I'm right here.
So,
Did you bite your tongue?
bye guys. Have a super duper 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 super duper duper fun day.